Yo, I had forgotten highlighter. Who am I? Who am I? Who am I? A whole highlighter. Let's highlight. Then blend this wig.
Hi besties, I'm very sorry that the intro of this video is being done in the train. I'm currently on my way to street parade, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this makeup look. So if you're interested, welcome to all the new subscribers.
Let's get ready. I'm so excited. So finally the sun is out. I wasn't planning to, I was actually planning on not going. Anyway, let me do it like this. You see that? That's the eye makeup we're going to use to decorate. That's the face jewels that we're going to use to decorate our face as we get ready for the street parade. Let me do my eyes and then we continue. I'm so excited. The eyeshadow palette we're going to be using is the Renaissance. I'm gonna put it on the side. The Renaissance palette, and we're going to be using the Juvia's Place Berries palette for that shimmer of pink. Let's get on with it. And I'm already getting some, you know, into the mood. I've got a whiskey cola just to get into the mood. Sorry guys, I've been looking at the screen because I'm kind of feeling myself and I'm excited. But let's get on with it. Let's get on with it. For the transition shade, we're going to go in with Real Gar. It's kind of orangey red. And you know, I have hooded eyes, so I'm going to apply it right on top. As my transition shade. Of course, I wanted something more orangey. Let's just continue. We want that sharp finish at the end. So it's not currently too. I was supposed to be there by now actually at the parade, but the weather wasn't giving. We just had a thunderstorm, and now it's hot and the sun is out, so I can proceed with the plans and the outfit, and hopefully will not miss the parade. So this year's street parade, they have 8 stages, and then they have like 30 caravans, I think, and they also have 8 stages, 30 caravans, and I don't know how many people are going to be playing, like performing, and DJs. It starts at 1 p.m. It started already, it started an hour ago, and it's going on till midnight. So I'm gonna link I'm gonna be vlogging the whole street parade, and I'll put a vlog up. This video might probably go up before the vlog. It depends on how much. Let me not even talk about the vlog. Sometimes I say I'm gonna vlog, then I reach there and I'm having so much fun, and then I forget. But I'm quite intentional about the vlogging. So I'm mixing Love Letter and Venetian Red. Jero! I'm really hoping that this eye look comes out the way I have imagined it in my head.
Oh, I'm sure you'll never see that. I'd rather take it all back. Cause I'm sure you'll never see that. I'd rather take it all back.
And I'm hoping that the colors and my skin tone makes the jewels to pop like what? Pop, pop, pop. So I'm going to go in with Eden, and I really want the glitter to pop. So I'm going in with this small brush, and
You'll never see that. I'd rather take it all back. Take a look out the window. Spirit goes up as the rain falls down. I've been sailing on the wrong course, keeping it together like I did before.
I'm actually scared. Then I'm gonna take this flat, no, this is not this one. I'm going to take this flat brush, and I'm going to go into the berries and take this pink with shimmer. Oh, are you seeing that? Are you all seeing that? I don't even think I'll be needing the. I'm sweating. I am sweating. Say what? We're going to go back to the brush we used for the crease, and we're going to blend just to make sure we have no, harshness. Oops. You see, we have a little bit of transfer. Careful. You can always go back and dip into the shades, in the shades that you used before, just to intensify.
Cause I'm sure you'll never see that. I'd rather take it all back. Oh, I'm sure.
What a flop. I'll have to with a so knap. It is what it is. But let me go get this band off my head because it's now hurting me, and I'm gonna be back so that we can do the rest of the face and apply these gels and get out of here.
Just to get space, cause I wouldn't believe that. I get lost, you go with your day. Slowly getting closer, but you're moving away. I know it's just a recap, but I'm sure you'll never see that. I'd rather take it all back. Take a look out the window. Spirit goes up as the rain falls down. I've been sailing on the wrong course, keeping it together like I did before. Think that I've said this a few times. Even with that, has it ever felt right? just to get a space, cause I wanna believe that.
Yo, I forgot to put my setting powder as base, but we are using Estee Lauder, so but I don't know how Estee Lauder is going to hold 32 degrees outside. I don't know. We're gonna find out, I guess. We're gonna find out. So let's highlight.
Start, give all you're taking my time. Feels like I'm patiently waiting in line. So can we ever have another moment? Can you just be honest? I was only wondering if maybe we can take it to a different conversation. Things will get uncomfortable, but only if we make it. I just wanna say that still you'd rather take it all back. Cause I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back. Bring it back, bring it back. Oh, I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back. Bring it back, bring it back. Cause I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back. Bring it back, bring it back. For you are sunlight, you stay in the shade. That's it, a corner just to get space, cause I wanna believe that. I get lost, you go with your day. Slowly getting closer, but you're moving away. I know it's just a recap, but I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back. Take a look out the window. Spirit goes up as the rain falls down. I've been sailing on the wrong course, keeping it together like I did before. Think that I've said this a few times. Even with that, has it ever felt right? I swear that this has happened every moment. Can I just be honest? I was only wondering if maybe we could take it to a different conversation. Things will get uncomfortable, but only if we make it. I just wanna say that, but you'd rather take it all back.
We still have to blend the no. We still have to blend the wig. I don't know if I should leave it so voluminous or I should spray it with water. I'm gonna decide. What do I need? I'm looking for a lipstick. What is this, chestnut or the... I didn't want to use chestnut. I'll be right back. Yo, I just realized that I was actually filming without the light on. I hope the quality is still good. We're gonna do with a Sephora lip. I really wanted a pink lip. Oh god. What have I done? Okay, let's do it. I feel like the lip is not doing it justice, but okay, we want all the attention to be on the face, right? Like on the upper part of the face and not the lip. So I guess that's it. I'm gonna put some eyeshadow underneath my eyes, and I'm going in with the shades that I used, on the crease to deepen the crease. These two shades here, Venetian and Love Letter.
Take it all back. Take a look out the window. Spirit goes up as the rain falls down. I've been sailing on the wrong course, keeping it together like I did before. Think that I was
Yo, I had forgotten highlighter. Who am I? A whole highlighter. Let's highlight, then blend this wig, then stick our jewels, and we're ready to go. I have a bus in 20 minutes. I'm listening to the street parade on. It's going down, guys. It's going down in Zurich. I'm still here.
sunlight, you stay in the shade. I'm dancing in a corner just to get a space.
I'm using this orangey highlight. I don't use it so often. Oh, I have to. Ooh, I've made a mistake. Today I've made so many mistakes. My God.
I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back. Maybe it's time.
I'm sweating. I don't even know if these jewels are gonna hold. My son doesn't want to keep quiet. Yeah. Let's now do the lower. Yo, it's not so complicated. So this one. I'm not putting it exact, so I put more to the outer side. Guys, let me go get dressed and then I'll be right back.
For you are sunlight, you stay.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Catch you in the next one.